How to close your eBay account. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with step-by-step tutorial to close your eBay account. And for that, you need to submit an account closure request from your account settings, and here's how you can do it. So first of all, sign in into your eBay account and head over to account settings. For that, look out for the name option in the top left and click on it, and a menu pops up. Select the option of account settings from here in order to open it up. Now, once we open it up, what we need to do is basically go to the personal info section here and select the option called personal information. Open it up. And once we open it up, we can either enter up a code or continue with Google. First of all, complete this verification. And then from here, we can scroll down and look out for close account option if we find it here. Otherwise, we can head over to the left-hand side menu and select the option for account preferences, drop it down, and then select the option for close account. And once we select it, we can just go over and choose a reason for deletion and go ahead and confirm this up by clicking on this option called close account. And we can just go over and follow up the prompts. We need to choose why we are leaving. Select one of the reason and fill out this form and confirm that you would like to close your eBay account and click on submit and confirm up the request. And that way you will be closing your account directly. You can just go over and follow out this method for that. And you can also directly go to the closer page as well to basically delete your account. And eBay will require you to have no outstanding fees or balances, no active bids or listing, and no open disputes or returns. You can just go over and follow this method and you should be able to delete your account. And that's it. So that is it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.